I broke down the current gen GPU market into 3 tiers for a first time builder like me who wants to stream, edit, play Microsoft Flight Simulator, and Resident Evil Requiem. No benchmark charts, just my honest new opinion. So I present to you my 3-tier tactical breakdown. Tier 1, the tactical baseline, the AMD RX 9070 and the NVIDIA RTX 5070. These cards are simple, reliable, and designed to get you airborne without breaking the bank. The RX 9070 and the RTX 5070 are a realistic, solid entry point for a new builder. They deliver strong 1440p performance and will get you flying smooth without draining your budget. The RX 9070 gives you a massive advantage with 16GB of VRAM to handle dense world data. But if you want clear vision and heavy storage and better upscaling, the RTX 5070 fights back hard and gets a mission off the ground cleanly. Tier 2, the operational core, the RX 9070 XT and the RTX 5070 Ti. Tier 2 is where the real strategy happens. This is the sweet spot of the current hardware meta. Both pack mandatory 16GB of VRAM. They tear through 1440p and can even handle light 4K, and also brings frame generation that literally invents frames to bypass heavy bottlenecks. The RTX 5070 Ti has better ray tracing and DLSS 4.5, a massive asset in a complex flight decks. But the RX 9070 XT hits like pure artillery. Reviewers are calling it the undisputed value king because its raw rasterization power punches way above its price tag. Then there's Tier 3, the strategic overkill, the RTX 5080 and the absolute monster, the RTX 5090. This is money no object territory. The 5080 is a high-end powerhouse. The 5090 is basically an F-22 Raptor with 32GB of memory. These premium cards are insane for 4K Ultra everything, plus heavy add-ons and VR if you ever go that route. But for a disciplined, self-funded build like mine, buying a flagship feels like deploying a 5th gen fighter when a highly capable 4th gen would complete the mission just as fine. And also, the price of these cards are absolutely ridiculous. The 5080 I can at least digest, but the 5090? I don't care how much of an engineering marvel it is, $4,000 for a GPU is insane. I think you're better off using that $3,000 for more RAM and an ultra-wide OLED monitor. So after doing the research, here's the honest sit rep. The entry cards will get into the ear, the premium cards are incredible if budget is no factor, but the real operational value lives right in the sweet spot. Which is exactly why for my September season finale build, my choice is the AMD RX 9070 XT. Let me tell you exactly why this card won the contract. Microsoft Flight Simulator is a data hog. At 1440p and light 4K, streaming those massive 3D city scans and heavy airport assets will instantly choke a lesser card. The 9070 XT brings a full 16GB of GDDR6 memory on a wide 256-bit bus. That means textures load instantly and stay sharp, period. Look, NVIDIA makes an incredible product, but you're paying a massive premium for ray tracing features that Microsoft Flight Simulator barely utilizes. This RDNA 4 chip packs 64 advanced compute units, pushing boost clocks right up to 30 GHz. In raw rasterization, it goes toe-to-toe with cards costing hundreds more. High average frame rates look great on the box, but bad 1% lows mean your game will stutter and microfreeze. As a pilot, a sudden frame drop when you're on a short final approach completely breaks immersion. The 9070 XT's architecture keeps frame rates flat and predictable, no sudden turbulence. Even with partner cards pushing the street price closer to $700, $750 on shelves today, it completely bypasses the ridiculous $4,000 AI tax of the flagship market. It delivers maximum mission capability with zero waste, and I can't wait to put this card in my build.